Right, so we just finished our session in the energy bed with Samantha. How did you feel?
Really good.
Yeah, so what are we up to now? 5?
This is the 5th session.
Excellent. What have people been saying?
It's crazy. The difference in my skin, my weight, just inflammation, it's been incredible.
They even said you're happier, didn't they?
Yes. Yeah, they said I'm a happier person, which is good.
Would you agree, Olivia?
Definitely.
So you had the reflexology. How did you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Amazing, yes.
And you're going to book in as well, aren't you?
I'm definitely booking in.
Yeah, so you enjoyed watching the process?
I have. It's been really interesting, really informative as well.
Yep.
Love it. Can't wait.
Can't wait. All right, so that'll be good. So what else can you say, Samantha?
I can't recommend it any more highly, to be honest, to anyone that's got pain, that doesn't know where it's coming from, that's sick of traditional doctors prescribing antibiotics. I've been doing that for